Hola toperos y bienvenidos a un nuevo video de Top. Esta vez estrenamos una nueva sección en mi canal llamada La Entrevista. En esta oportunidad entrevisté a Darren, un ortesista protecista de Estados Unidos que viene cada año a El Salvador con la organización Helping the Children para hacer jornadas médicas en colaboración con el Club Rotario. Juntos con él hemos adaptado a órtesis a niños de escasos recursos. Pero no te pierdas el final del video, que tengo unas palabras súper importantes que decirte. ¡Comenzamos! Hi Darren.
Hi Julio.
Thank you for the interview.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
This is my first interview in my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Everything about orthetics and prosthetics.
Okay.
This is the name.
Wonderful.
And tell about you, about your experience in the orthetics and prosthetics.
Okay. My name's Darren Oskason. I work for a company called Harry J. Lawal & Son in Philadelphia. I went to prosthetic and orthotic school at Northwestern University at their Feinberg School of Medicine in 1999 and became certified in both orthotics and prosthetics in 2000 and 2001. I love working in prosthetics and orthotics. My father was an injured Vietnam vet, that's why I got interested in it. My bachelor's is in athletic training, which I got from Penn State. But I guess I've been in this field now for 22 years.
And you work in the Hospital of Philadelphia, right?
Children. I work for Harry J. Lawal & Son. It's a family-owned business. And most of my work is with pediatrics, and I do most of that at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia.
Tell about your experience here in El Salvador.
I love coming to El Salvador. This is my 4th year here in El Salvador. I got on this trip because I was making a leg in a physician's office, and he asked me if I'd be interested, and I said yes. And I called Dr. Mark Brennan, who's one of the anesthesiologists who comes here, and he said we'd love to have an orthotist. So that's how I got on this trip. That was in 2015. That was my first year, and I was amazed.
You only come to El Salvador or going to other countries in Central America or in South America?
El Salvador is it for me. Yep, I was asked to come to El Salvador. Loved it. Love working here at this military hospital, and I've come back every year since.
Oh, it's a good experience working with you.
Thank you. Thank you. I love it.
Okay, Darren, you have the camera for a message for the people of Top.
Okay. I would just tell everybody this has been a wonderful experience volunteering my time. I get to work in orthotics and prosthetics. I meet great people like Julio who study as well. I would say whatever your profession, whatever your skill, volunteer somewhere, help somebody out. It makes a difference. It's a lot.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Nice to meet you.
The interview.
My pleasure.
I really enjoy working with you together.
Thank you. I'll be back next year.
Espero que te haya gustado la entrevista y que también sea un llamado de atención para todos los jóvenes a ser agentes de cambio para nuestra sociedad, que no esperar que alguien venga y ayude a los necesitados, sino que ser nosotros los jóvenes que tomemos la batuta para hacer de esta una mejor sociedad. Ya sabes, si te gustó mucho este video, compártelo con todos tus amigos y no olvides suscribirte a nuestro canal. Yo soy Julio H y nos vemos en el video de la próxima semana.